This is the Amazon jungle, the largest and most isolated area in the world. It is such a large jungle that if you were left in the middle of it, it would take you 472 days to get out of it. During this journey, you will encounter these creatures, no matter how small or big they are. They are all killers. Their purpose is to attack you because they are all residents of the Amazon. Even a small ant here is enough to take your life. This jungle is a place in our world that is alone. The area of 5.5 million square kilometers of land that you can imagine can easily accommodate 37 countries like Bangladesh, 2 countries like India, and 157 countries like Dubai. This forest is spread across a total of 8 countries, and its final borders are America, Colombia, Guyana, Brazil, Peru, and Bolivia. You may be quite surprised to think that 20% of the oxygen that our entire world breathes comes from this Amazon forest. This forest of 40,000 species of plants where nature is the only Raja. Everything that happens here is according to the mysterious laws of nature. So in today's video, we are going to give you all the secrets about the Amazon jungle that you may have never heard before. In fact, if you want to know how big the Amazon jungle is and what kind of deadly animals live here that have made a nest in this jungle for thousands of years, you are requested to watch the video in full. And new friends, be sure to press the subscribe button next to it and select all the options of the bell icon. Although the area of the Amazon rainforest is 5.5 million square kilometers, but if you think of walking along its borders, you have to cover 9,500 kilometers, which means that it is equivalent to traveling from Mumbai to New Delhi 7 times and from Dhaka to Barisal 51 times. The Amazon forest is so large and dense that it is called a rainforest because there is not a single week in the year that it does not rain here. The Amazon forest is so dense that after 10 minutes of rain falling on the trees, the rain touches the ground, and due to this dense forest, the Amazon forest is almost as dark as night even during the day because this dense forest prevents the sunlight from entering. So a forest where there is a lot of rain and due to its density, the plants and animals that live in this forest are not found in many areas. This forest is home to 40,000 species of plants, 1,300 species of birds, 2,200 species of fish, 270 species of mammals, and 380 species of strange and terrifying small animals. If we talk about small poisonous animals in this region, then there are more than 2.5 million different poisonous insects. This forest is as beautiful from the outside as it is from the inside because anything can happen in it at any time. The small and large animals that live in it are much more terrifying than you think. If a person makes a mistake in this forest, if you enter the forest, you will first meet the green anaconda. The green anaconda is the longest and most venomous snake species in the world. This snake is 33 feet long and weighs 250 kilograms. One of the most terrifying aspects of this snake is that it can swallow an animal larger than itself alive. No one has yet been able to determine how many such snakes there are in our forest. In addition, along with the anaconda, more venomous snake species like cobra and python can be seen in this forest. Have you ever been bitten by an ant at least once in your life? If that ant is poisonous, then you know how much pain it causes. But there is a type of ant found in the jungle whose bite you will not be able to bear. There is a type of ant called the bullet ant, which is found in the jungle and it hides poisonous poison in its body. It is said to be the largest ant in the world, which is 4 centimeters long. For some reason, if this ant bites a person, that person will suffer a lot of pain, and that person may even die. It is said that the bullet ant has bitten many people till date. They compared the bite of these ants to a gunshot, as if a gunshot had hit the wound. In this forest, thousands of miles long, the second largest river in the world and the first largest river in the world in terms of water flow is located. This is the Amman River. The length of this river is 6,840 kilometers. All the rain that falls throughout the forest throughout the year flows through this river and mixes with the sea. It is approximately 329 feet deep. Thousands of the world's most fearsome crocodiles live in this river, which can go to any situation to satisfy their hunger. Did you know? You will be surprised that 219,000 cubic meters of water passes through the Amazon River in 1 second, and you can estimate this amount of water with an estimate that the world's largest swimming pool, City Star Sharm el-Sheikh, which is located in Egypt, can be filled in just 1 second with water flowing from the Amazon. You can compare this amount of water with the water of 40 other rivers in the world, which means that the water of one river is equal to 40 rivers. Due to the absence of the human world in the Amazon River, there are several rare species of animals are seen, the most special of which is the pink dolphin, which is about 9 feet long and weighs 200 kilograms. These dolphins are faster than all other dolphins, and their intelligence is higher than others because their brain is very intelligent. Although all dolphins can easily mix with humans, these animals of the Amazon River also attack humans. Scientists and experts have a lot of evidence that for the past 2,800 years, a type of fish called electric eel has been living in this river. Strangely, one of these fish, the specialty is that they give electric shocks to their predators. The electric shock has been measured to be 860 volts so far. There have been many such incidents in the Amazon River where electric eels have given high-voltage electric shocks to people and killed them. Not only humans, they can also attack fish. They attack animals 100 times their own weight. Anyone who comes in front of them can be killed with an electric shock. Experts believe that the 860 volts of this electric eel can cause the nervous system can easily shut down, but a marathon swimmer named Martin Estelle swam the entire Amazon River on his own. Yes, the fearsome Amazon River, home to thousands of crocodiles, electric eels, and snakes, is a mystery. But how did Martin cross the Amazon River and set this record? In just 66 days, he chose the Amazon River in 2007 to set the record for the most terrifying time. In one day, he swam for 10 hours in the Amazon River and spent the rest of the time on the shore. According to Martil, this terrible river is home to huge snakes, wild crocodiles, electric eels, and many other dangerous creatures. To escape from them, they need to be distracted, so a group of them would spread pieces of meat around the edge so that they would be attracted to that direction. There is also a river in the Amazon jungle whose water is always boiling. This 6.5-kilometer-long river emits smoke from the water. It is located in the part of the Amazon that falls in the country of Peru. The water temperature in this river is 90 to 100 degrees Celsius, where any food can be cooked. This water is boiling all year round, but no one knows the reason for this yet. However, there are about 600 people living in this terrible Amazon jungle. The people of the Amazon hunt from the jungle, and this is how they make a living. Among them, there are some groups of people who have never met the people of the civilized world until now, and when a civilized person suddenly comes in front of them, they react as if they are seeing something for the first time. The Amazon has many such mysterious pictures that, after viewing from satellite, such shapes can be seen in many areas. These shapes are also called geoglyphs. Some of these geoglyphs are spread over 1 to 5 kilometers, and more than 300 such geoglyphs can be seen in the Amazon jungle. Why were these shapes created in the Amazon, and were they created by Kali? If you think we need to make a separate video about this, you can write part 2 in our comment box. If you like today's video, you can like it, and see you in the next